me ask you a quick question. Are you watching everyone talk about the AI gold rush, but still wondering how you can actually get in on it yourself? Because here's the cold, hard truth. The big brands and deep-pocketed tech giants are already cashing in on AI. Meanwhile, entrepreneurs like you, the ones with dreams of financial freedom and control, are left standing on the sidelines. And it's not your fault. They've made AI seem impossible for anyone without a coding degree, a six-figure development budget, or a team of software engineers. So, what do? You keep searching for opportunities, but every tool you find either locks you into recurring fees or limits you to using their platform, renting their tools, instead of actually owning your own business. And even if you piece together a solution, you waste months, even years trying to make it work, only to realize you still don't have real clients or a system to actually bring money in the door. Well, that ends today. Because what if you could skip the headaches, skip the guesswork, and instantly launch your own AI SaaS business in just a few clicks, without coding, without hiring developers, and without investing tens of thousands of dollars? That's what DFYAISuite makes possible for you. This is not just another shiny software. It's a done-for-you agency system that lets you rebrand and sell 100-plus proven AI apps as your own. Find real, hungry clients ready to buy with built-in lead-finding tools. Create powerful marketing content in minutes. No copywriters needed. Collect payments directly with 100% of the profits going to you. And here's the best part. You don't need to build anything. You don't need to design anything. You don't even need a team, because we've done all the heavy lifting for you. Imagine logging in today, choosing the tools you want to sell, adding your logo and payment link, and launching your own branded AI SaaS business. Today. Look, the AI SaaS market crossed $200 billion in 2024, and it's set to more than double in the next 3 years. And early adopters, even complete beginners, are already launching micro AI tools that generate $300, $1,000, or even $3,000 plus per month on autopilot. But you can't do it if you keep depending on old, broken methods. Methods like renting someone else's tools and giving up most of your profits. Piecing together random apps, plugins, and services that never really fit together. Or trying to learn complicated code just to create something that already exists. Because, let's face it, your time is too valuable for that. You deserve a shortcut that actually works. That's why DFYAISuite was created. So you can skip the complexity and start making money as a real AI SaaS founder without writing a single line of code. Here's what's inside. AI Client Finder. Find hot leads in any niche automatically so you never run out of prospects. Video GPT. Instantly turn images into dynamic, scroll-stopping videos. Writing Assistant. Across multiple AI models to write flawless emails, blogs, and sales pages. Content Planner. Plan and generate weeks of social posts, blog content, and promotions. Image GPT. Compare outputs from 100-plus AI art models and create stunning visuals. PDF, audio, and image chatbots. Turn boring files into interactive, smart assistants that wow your clients. Facebook Ads Finder and Logo Creator. Spy on what's working now, create winning ads, and build fresh branding. And dozens more. These tools aren't just powerful, they're in massive demand. Because businesses everywhere are scrambling for AI-powered solutions they can understand, use, and profit from. Now, you can be the one to provide them. Sell your branded tools directly. License them to freelancers, coaches, and marketers. Offer them as part of your services. It's your call, because this is your business. No monthly fees, no platform cuts, no hidden charges. You keep every dollar you make. And don't just take my word for it. Meet Stuart, an overwhelmed entrepreneur who leveraged DFYAISuite to launch his own branded AI business in just 5 hours, even though he had zero technical experience. He doubled his income in under 2 months by offering AI content services to local businesses that were desperate for help. Or look at John. who used DFYAISuite to set up his own AI SaaS agency. He started offering rebranding AI tools to coaches and consultants, and within weeks, he had paying clients eager to access his tools and services. These are just two examples of what's possible, and they're not outliers. They're everyday people who took the leap. And now, it's your turn. So let me ask you, are you going to keep watching from the sidelines while others cash in on the AI boom? Or are you ready to launch your own branded AI business today, before the door slams shut? Here's how easy it is. Step 1, log into your dashboard and activate your toolkit. Step 2, add your branding, domain, and payment link. Step 3, find clients, collect payments, and start selling, all from your own done-for-you agency site. No coding, no guesswork, no waiting months to get started. You can be live and ready to sell in less time than it takes to finish your morning coffee. But you need to act fast, because this early access license gives you lifetime access to DFYAISuite for a one-time price. Once we roll out new tools and open this to the public, we'll be shifting to a monthly subscription model, and you'll pay every single month just to keep your access. So if you want to keep 100% of your profits, own your own AI SaaS business, and skip the headaches of building from scratch, click the button below now and get instant access to DFYAISuite today. Don't wait. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Your AI business is just a few clicks away, and it's never been easier than this.
Welcome to DFYAISuite, first ever AI suite that lets you effortlessly rebrand and resell 100+ AI apps. Find potential clients with just a few clicks and generate marketing content in just seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch and grow your AI SaaS business with an automated suite that includes lead generation, content automation, and sales optimization. Pay close attention to this because what you are about to see you won't find anywhere else online. This is revolutionizing the app white labeling industry like never before. Let's get started. This is the DFYAISuite Super Admin Dashboard. To your left, you will see all the AI tools available on our platform. These are not generic or basic AI tools. These are advanced tools powered by AI that you won't easily find for free online, and you would normally have to pay for each one of them individually to use them like a pro. Here you will find tools like the AI Avatar Generator,
Hello, I'm Nova, your holographic assistant. I can narrate features, highlight UI elements.
Video GPT,
I'm alone. Time's up.
AI Chats,
The image features chocolate chip cookies arranged on a wire cooling.
Image Chat, Image GPT, the Logo Generator, the Writing Assistant, As you can see, these are not ordinary AI tools. These are advanced AI tools that have been fine-tuned to deliver top-quality results. Here you can use them yourself for personal purposes, or use them on behalf of others and charge them a fee for the work. But the real gold behind DFYAISuite is not only giving you access to cutting-edge AI tools, but also allowing you to build independent AI businesses with standalone branding and access for each tool, or for all of them together as a bundle. And all this in under 60 seconds. Yes, let me show you how. By clicking on the Setup Brand tab, you'll be redirected to the extremely simple Branded Apps Builder. You simply start by clicking on this button right here. Add your preferred app name, app domain, app logo, and app favicon. Decide your app design. Full means the app you are creating will give access to all the apps in the platform for end users to access after purchase. Custom means you get to choose which apps you want to include for end users to access after purchase. Once done, just click Create. And you're done. Your branded AI business is up and running in under 60 seconds without touching a single line of code. As you saw, I didn't have to install anything on any server, copy or paste any code, or even watch a training video to do this. It's extremely simple. Each one of these apps is a standalone AI business with independent dashboards and management. You can even customize them. Add a custom domain if you prefer, for full branding. And this is the URL you'll use to manage each particular AI business with its respective AI apps enabled. How cool is that? I told you, this is revolutionizing the app white labeling industry. This is how far technology has come today, giving you the ability to build AI businesses in just seconds, 100% under your own brand, with just a few clicks. But this is just the beginning. You now have your business set up. Not just a basic online business, but an advanced AI business with cutting-edge AI tools ready for clients to purchase access to. But where will I get clients who will purchase my apps? Well, let's get there now. DFYAISuite not only builds your real AI app business in seconds, but also finds you clients to sell access to. That's right. Finding clients here is even easier and faster. You simply add a search term here. For example, let's say AI. Wait for the pre-selected options to appear. Pick any option from the list. Hit the search button. Now you've got a list of potential clients you can reach out to, not only to offer your AI services as an agency, but also to sell access to your app. You can also apply other filters to narrow things down, like location, source sites, project type, or projects posted within the last X hours. Great! Now you not only have the AI business set up in seconds, but also the clients to sell access to the apps you control inside your AI business. And for that, you have at your disposal all the advanced AI tools to generate outstanding marketing material and advertising campaigns to target your clients like a pro. Well, I guess you get the point now. And this is why DFYAISuite is rapidly revolutionizing the app white labeling industry. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. It's awesome having the ability to rebrand and resell 100+ AI apps, find potential clients with just a few clicks, and generate marketing content in just seconds. How does it sound to you? Making a killer income as an AI business selling access to cutting-edge AI software. And on top of that, making even more money by selling access to the entire DFYAISuite platform, also under your own brand. Yes, my friends. If you want to go to the next level and decide to upgrade your DFYAISuite access, you can do so and a lot more. Inside the agency/reseller panel, you will be able to create access for clients who are interested in becoming resellers of this entire platform. Imagine how much you could charge for access to such an incredible AI business builder engine. And on top of that, under your own brand, while keeping 100% of the profit to yourself, and we handle all of the technical stuff. We handle the technology, and you handle the money. What a crazy deal, don't you think? But how would these reseller clients purchase access to DFYAISuite under your own brand? What a great question, and the answer will shock you as well. If you click on the Agency Website tab, you'll access a dead simple form where you just need to add your brand name and also the logo. and your agency website is ready. Yes, it's that simple. Pretty shocking, right? You simply need to download it. And there you have it, a professional-looking, ready-to-use sales page, with every high-converting element needed to sell access to your apps under your own brand name. You just need to add your payment link, which will only take a second with our guidance. Upload it to your server and start sending it to your clients. How cool is that? But you're not limited to using only the agency website to approach your clients. You can also use all of the advanced AI tools to create selling content and advertising material in a professional, high-converting manner. You can use all of these outstanding AI tools to create the content you need for any legal business purpose you want, in any industry. As I promised, this is how you can launch and grow your AI SaaS business with an automated suite that includes lead generation, content automation, and sales optimization. Well, there's lots more awesome stuff inside DFYAISuite, but I can't show it all in just this video. Right now, you just need to get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to rebrand and resell 100+ AI apps, find potential clients with just a few clicks, and generate marketing content in just seconds, then try DFYAISuite today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.